Hi, my name is Ulises. So you can have a lovely Christmas. You need first paint the sticks, the most you like. Green, white, yellow, red. Next, cut the sticks into correct form like a box gift, snow cubes, caramel cans. At last, with glue, put the parts in her place. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays!
Glue bottles, Christmas cartel and wooden stick. First step, glue the Christmas cartel to the wooden stick. Second step, glue the buttons. Third step, put a star. And ready our Christmas tree.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth. I present my Christmas decoration. The materials are scissors, foamy, red foil, a soft white cloth, hot silicone, and ribbons. We cut our woody basic. To get hot silicone decontour, we make the reverse the woody. We make the little footprint into rectangles in the white fabric, and we had we decorate to our liking. We got a few ones and we got a piece of ribbon and voila.
The material for the elaboration of a snowman. In this part, the body of the snowman is made.
Hello, I'm Manuel Rodriguez and today I want to teach you how to make a Christmas reindeer. For that we need a styrofoam board, something to cut, red paint, and ribbons and glitter. The first step is to draw the silhouette of a reindeer on the styrofoam board and cut. Then we paint red color. Finally, we decorate with ribbons and glitter.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my...
Hi, my name is Gabriela and I will make a snowman. We cut the circles and make a cut to join them. Then we line them covering all the back part. We simulate a hat with cardboard and we cover it. We make his eyes and mouth and decorate. Finally, we put a cordon and put hands. And we're done.
Hi, I am Rosa. Let's do something fun. First, the necessary materials. Let's cut the pie into smaller pieces. Stick the tape. Finally, we it like this. Why, cute! Merry Christmas!
Hey guys, my name is Jennifer Cojas Arjona. Today I'll show you how to make a Christmas candy out of toilet paper rolls. Ready? Let's go! We'll cut the roll of paper into strips. Now, we will paint 10 strips of red and 4 green. Alright, we will glue the strip for front 2 flowers. We stick one flower on top of the other. We cover the roll with yellow cloth. We cut 2 circles and glue into the base of the roll. We draw some webs and glue around the roll. In the paper board, we draw the fire, paint it, and pass it into the roll.
Hi, my name is Nadia. Today I will show you a Christmas craft. The materials are horsey disc, felt, cloth, cotton, Chinese paper, cardboard. First we draw a circle and put it on. Then we cover it with Chinese paper. Next we cover the disc. We put circles to make flowers. Let's stick the flowers. Next, on a disc we make a Santa Claus design. By last glue hard the discs around the circle. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Hi, my name is Greta Gutierrez Pablo. I make a Christmas bow. Fresh, example in the glasses this way. Útil forming the spheres.
Finally, for the Spirit Christmas, we put a ribbon. Open the light.
Hello, idea to create a snowman. We need sock and rice. First, put rice in the sack. Tie the sack in the hog. Also pink and clock. Tie a scarf. With buttons and pins, put your ace. Put a yellow pin for the nose. Finally, put finger buttons.
Hi, my name is Anna. Christmas decoration tutorial. Material. The first step is to inflate the balloons. The next step is to roll the envelope around the two balloons. The third step is to decorate it.
Step 1. Cut the figures and letter of the word you want to form. Step 2. Pass the letter over the shape you cut. Step 3. Stick on and try what you did in step 2. And you're done with your Christmas decoration.
To make this, first make the shape, cut, fill, and put to the Christmas tree. Merry Christmas!